Look, if your couch is indented like this, you have a problem, but today I'll teach you how to fix it. First, you want to flip it upside down and take off the dust cover. You'll only need to remove one side like I did here. Okay, so once that is done, we'll remove the staples from the fabric as well and begin to open it up a little more and see if the arm cover will just slip off. And just as suspected, it worked. We'll begin to just take it off and inspect the damage. Once we remove this, we can easily see what is wrong with the arm. Just check out these indents. Generally happens when people sit on the arms of a couch. But no problem, we'll fix this right away. At this point, we will begin to remove the foam to see the damage below, and typically is some sort of cardboard that breaks. What I will do is just reinforce the existing cardboard instead of replacing everything, which will just waste time. But first, the tools you'll need are a mallet, staples, and a stapler. This cardboard will be a great replacement. We'll cut this up and add it to the frame. We added the cardboard. Now we will cut it to the frame and make it look better. Now that we cleaned it up, just make sure it's round, and if some sides are lifting, mallet them down. Doing a support test, and sure enough, the additional cardboard makes it extremely strong. Now we rinse and repeat the next two areas. Now that they're all done, you want to make sure they're all smooth and round. Again, if anything is lifting, just mallet it down. Also, make sure to clean up the edges of the cardboard just so nothing causes a bump through the fabric. Now that we have this all done, we need to put it back together just like it was and see if it looks good. Then we will proceed to staple it all back into place. After all this, it looks amazing, and now can also support your arm comfortably. Don't forget to give me a like and follow.